Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the LightinX AC charging adapter for your phone. I also got the 12 volt for the car that they sent me. So in full disclosure, they sent me this product to review. However, I'm not being paid for the review. This is my own opinion, and I do have some opinions about charging adapters from previous ones that I've used. But before we get started, let's subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment, and let's get started unboxing the LightinX. So let's unbox this and see what is in the LightinX package. So we have the box here, LightinX. We're going to get through this unboxing pretty quickly because so I can show you and test this out. I'm going to open this up. And you'll notice right here, this is your AC, I call them brick adapters, charging adapters, flip out 2-prong for US AC standard. But right here you have USB-C, Lightning, USB. So this is the only charger on the market that has all three of these. So very cool. And like I said, the company sent this to me to test out. This is the unboxing part. I'm going to use this for a little while, and then we'll give you my thoughts on this. But that is the charger. Pretty big, pretty sturdy, feels well built. We'll see how that works out. I also got these two packages. Oh, they sent me so here's the 12 volt for the car, and it's the same situation. It has both, or it has all of it. It has Lightning, and it looks like 2 USB-C ports. So we'll test that out as well. And let's see what's in here. Oh, and then they sent me a light. That is a USB-C to USB-C. So I got a USB-C to Lightning. Lightning to USB-C. So yeah, so we got the cable. So we got the cable, we got the 12 volt adapter, and we've got the charger. So what's really cool about this little package that you don't get anywhere else really is with a Lightning to USB-C cable, you can plug in USB-C and charge your iPhone with the Lightning, or you can plug in the Lightning and charge your USB-C Android phone. So it's really cool to have this cable, to be able to use one cable to charge 2 different types of phones. So I'm shooting this this video with my iPhone. Here's my Android. So my Android is USB-C. So with this, I should be able to plug this right in here. And then I can plug in, once this is all plugged in, or the car adapter to the Lightning, and be able to charge it. So that's what's in the box. I think it's very cool, just without even using it. So let's go check it out. Let's plug everything in, and let's see how all this works. Now I'm curious. What I'm really curious about though is longevity-wise, how long this will last. And I only say that because I've had other AC adapters or bricks or whatever you want to call them that have 2 or 3 regular USB, and it seems like they work. A lot of them work for a couple months, and then this thing just stops working, or one of the ports stops working. So over time we'll see how this works out, but let's go show this thing in action. All right, so we're going to test out this thing, and we're going to start off. We're just going to go ahead and just plug it in right there. And now I have 2 phones that I want to plug in and charge. So we're going to plug in one USB-C, and then we're going to go to the Lightning to charge the iPhone. So let's plug it in. And it's already 100% charged, but you can see that it is charging. So that's good. Then we're going to plug in the regular USB-C or USB. And I'm going to plug that in to my Android. And you can see it's charging that. It's at 61%. So it's charging both at the same time. So now let's go ahead and unplug this. And let's flip this around, this Lightning around. So we're actually going to plug into the Lightning port. And we're going to plug this cable into my Android phone. And it's charging. 61%. All right, guys, so there we got two phones plugged in. With this AC adapter, you can actually charge up to 3 devices at once, which is really good. I looked at it, and the USB-C output is 3 amps. The Lightning and the regular USB are 2.5 amps. That's pretty good. So that's going to charge your phones pretty quickly, and you should be able to get quick charging on all 3 at the same time. You just need the 3 different cables. But I really like this cable that came with it because it's universal and you can flip it back and forth. So it's a very good product. So now we're going to test out the 12 volt. You can tell I have 2 12 volt adapters in my truck, so we'll just flip up for one of those, and we're going to pop that right in there, right like that. Looks like a little bit of a light will glow after dark. And then for this test, I'm only going to plug in and charge my Android phone. So I'm going to use the Lightning adapter on the bottom, and then I'm going to plug in, which I've got my phone upside down. So I'm going to mount that right back there and plug this in. And I'm holding with one hand, so it's like harder to, there we go, it's popped in. And there it is charging. So 12 volts pretty nice too, because now I have 2 little 12 volts, plus I have some USB ports down here. But if your vehicle only has one 12 volt socket, this little thing, which is, I got to tell you, most of these are built like plastic. This one is made of metal and is very strong. It's very nice. But the good thing is, if you only have one 12 volt socket, with this you can charge up to 3 devices. So if you have somebody in the car with you and you just need cables, that's it. So there's 2 USB-Cs and 1 Lightning. I will say, as far as this goes, the only thing I would have liked to see is, instead of 2 USB-Cs, I'd like to see it like the AC adapter, where it's a USB-C, a regular USB, and a Lightning. However, I am aware you're asking a lot, putting a lot of technology in a very small space, which is probably why it's 2 USB-Cs. It still works. It still works. It still works fine. So that's just one little thing about it for me. But this works really well, and I really like it. I'm going to use it a lot. So again, they sent me this stuff, but it's my review, it's my opinion. Overall, the versatility of both is just unmatched. So I think you should pick up both of them. All right, guys. So overall, I would just have to say I'm really impressed with this. And they also sent me the 12 volt or the car adapter. The only, this has 2 USB-Cs and a Lightning port on it. And then this has the Lightning. I've not seen another charger on the market that has a Lightning port. And then also the cable that was sent that has Lightning on one end, USB-C on the other. Game changer. I mean, I only need 1 charger now for 2 different types of phones, and I have 2 different phones. I have an iPhone and I have an Android. And so this charger works for both of them. It's great. I don't have to switch off cables and things like that. You just change one end to the other and you're good to go. Overall, I think you should pick this up. There is a link in my description to the Amazon where you can buy one of these if you want. And then always subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Take care.